there's the very young concept also of vibe coding, and there are certain tools that helps you do that. Even free Grok 3, which is tends to be exceptional at code generation. Where is this going to take us? Speaking broadly about the developer community, agency, space, client space. Obviously, everyone can do this, which means everyone can generate a lot of problems, technical debt, and so on. But at the end of the day, you will have something, you'll be like 95% happy within 2 hours. So,
Honest answer, I don't know.
very good answer.
We can only we can only speculate because there are some massive things happening in the broader ecosystem at the moment, and it is still uncertain how that impacts us in the WordPress space. First, we've seen or we are seeing solutions already existing in the market with the projects trying to solve the time to market or time to content thing. I mean, look at InstaWP, what Vikas Singhal has built. I hope I didn't butcher your name, Vikas. What they have built with Insta WP, where you can, I think, go to wp.new and you suddenly own a WordPress website, at least for 2 days, until you pay. Or I think Elementor has a similar product. And that is something traditional hosting companies cannot solve because they are in a fundamentally different mind space of selling hosting. They do not sell you a place to publish content, but they sell you a place to put your web application. And that is fundamentally a different headspace. And I have not yet seen a single hoster that approached the thing from like an InstaWP angle. That's the first thing of solving time to market. I think if we can get something like InstaWP that is even more refined, or even InstaWP itself, if they refine their process and become more popular, maybe that is what Squarespace is for the WordPress system, just a lower end self-serving solution for WordPress. And once you've grown out of InstaWP, they offer like migrations to GoDaddy, whatever. Yeah, one of the myriad of hosts we have in the ecosystem. The second thing is vibe coding. I think vibe coding works when you have a general understanding of the basic concepts of code, how code works. I mean, there was a very popular tweet recently on X, or post on X, I don't know what to call that.
Joel something,
Yeah.
Joel 47.
Yeah, where he like where his code base was
Under attack.
deleted.
Deleted. Sorry, deleted. Okay, yeah, 4 months of work deleted because he'd never committed to the code repository, and Cursor wiped out his whole code base.
Yeah, because he had no idea that such a thing existed. Because when you are coming in without a general knowledge or overview of the concept, even AI can only help you as much. AI is brilliant in helping you if you know how to phrase the question. But if you don't know how to phrase the question, you're on your own. That's the thing about vibe coding. I think, especially what we see with Levels.io, like the airplane game and stuff like that, it's brilliant. But obviously, Levels is a fairly decent program himself. So, from my point of view, I do not think that with the current methods that we have at this point in time, everyone can be a programmer. But I fundamentally believe that a programmer using AI basically has superpowers. It's like that. And the third thing is where this is going within the WordPress space. A few days ago, we had the CloudFest hackathon, where a team, I forgot the name of the concept, developed like a WCLI plugin of MCPs, basically. I'm not sure. Um, for the listeners, WCLI is a method of interacting with your WordPress installation through the command line. So you do not have to visit within your browser, but you have a command line, very structured, machine readable, machine writable, and stuff like that. And MCP is a protocol where you can allow large language models like ChatGPT or Claude or Grok to talk to an application. And they, on the CloudFest Hackathon, spent, I think, 2 days on large language models being able to talk to WordPress. And I think that has huge upside potential. Being able to like do Insta WP on steroids, where you have like a prompt, give me a WordPress page for architects in Munich, Germany. And the large language models instantly have the proper tools at hand to generate the WordPress to give you a properly configured WordPress for the German ecosystem with like cookie banners, GDPR stuff. Good placeholder content for you because you told them who you are, and like a decent theme. And that has huge potential.